How to create an account on Hostinger. Open your web browser and go to the official Hostinger website at hostinger.com. Look for the sign up or get started button on the home page and click on it. This will take you to the registration page. On the registration page, you'll be presented with different hosting plans. Select the plan that best suits your needs by clicking on the Add to Cart or Choose Plan button. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. And make sure to use a valid email address, as this will be used for account verification and communication. Enter billing information if required, and review and confirm. So double check the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Review the hosting plan, pricing, and any additional services included. Once you're satisfied, click on the Continue button to proceed. After verification, you'll be directed to set up your Hostinger account. This may involve creating a username, setting up security options, and configuring your hosting account settings. Once your account is set up, you'll be able to access your hosting control panel, where you can manage your website, domains, emails, and other hosting related settings. With your Hostinger account set up, you can now start building your website using Hostinger's tools and features. By following these steps, you can easily create an account on Hostinger and get started with web hosting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.